student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Student, now I am going to teach a new topic, sublimation. You know student, sublimation? Student, you know in the physical change, solid change, the liquid change, the gas. Okay? But in the process of sublimation, a solid directly change into gaseous form after heating, or when such gas become condensed, it change into the solid form. Means the sublimation is the process by which a solid directly change from solid to gas or gas to solid without changing into the liquid form is known as the sublimation. And the substance who become participate in such reaction is known as the sublime substance. Like camphor, kapoor. When camphor start the burning, it change from solid to gas. So these are sublime substance. Like camphor, and after that ammonium chloride. These are the sublime substance. So student, see, is the one experiment. To show that sublimation of ammonium chloride is a physical change. How we can prove that the sublime substance ammonium chloride show the sublimation process? Okay, student. So student, in the physical process, when anything become change from one state to other state, it becomes reverse back. Clear? So student, what we need, how we can show that the sublimation of ammonium chloride is a physical change? So student, what we need? See, student, we need and you put in this a funnel, a wire gauge, a tripod stand, ammonium chloride, cotton wool, a Bunsen burner, etc. See student, first we arrange all the things according to the figure. See student, this is the you put in this is the funnel, this is the wire gauge, this is the tripod stand, and this is the burner. This is the burner. Okay, student. So you know the function of each and every operators in the class 6 in the first chapter. We have already studied about the different function of the different operators. You know, student, the evaporating is we heat any chemical in the evaporating is. Wire gauge. What is the use of wire gauge? Wire gauge distribute the flame equally. Distribute the heat equally. See, is the tripod stand. First we keep one wire gauge over the tripod stand, and after that we can keep the evaporating dish. So students, see, first we take evaporating dish. In the dish we take some few amount of ammonium chloride, and after that student we put inverted funnel over the evaporating dish. हमने क्या किया? एक funnel उल्टा करके हमने इसके ऊपर रख दिया. Clear? After that, we lock their mouth with the cotton wool. And students, see here is the joint point. So here we can apply some grease or Vaseline. You know why? Because we want when we heat such ammonium chloride, then when it becomes changed into the gaseous form, then maybe it become released from the side or by the outside. So we can lock their mouth with the cotton here, and in the both side we apply some grease or Vaseline. Okay, to prevent the vapor of the ammonium chloride. Okay, after that we can start the heat. After heating, student, what you observe? You observe that the funnel becomes full filled with the white fume. क्या होगा? ये पूरा funnel white fume से भर गया. Clear? So after heating 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, when we can see that the ammonium chloride become disappear from here, we remove the flame. We remove the flame. After that, remove the flame, and after that we remove the funnel. Here, see, this is the funnel. Remove the cotton. Student, after that, what we have seen that the wall of funnel, the inside wall consists a white layer. The question is, how the such white layer deposit inside the wall of funnel? Tell, because when ammonium chloride become heat, first it change from solid to vapor form, gaseous form. But due to the cotton and the grease, such vapor become not released into the atmosphere. That's why when it become condensed, it become deposit on the inside wall of the funnel. क्या हुआ? अंदर आके ये जम गया. Clear? After that, with the help of a knife, we become scratch. With the help of knife, we scratch all the things. Okay, all the powder, we scratch all the powder and collect here. Okay, so question is C. Ammonium chloride is solid form. When it becomes heat, change into the gaseous form. So solid to gas, and after that, gas to solid. So you should see, such process is known as the sublimation process. Means in such process, first solid change the gaseous form, and after that, gas change into the solid form. Okay, student, it become proof that ammonium chloride, sublimation of ammonium chloride is the physical change. Okay, student. So the next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.